Hi everybody and welcome to the luxurious side of technology. देखिए, I've covered quite a bit of world-class products from Whirlpool because this is one company that is putting in a lot of innovation into things we don't usually think about. But आज जो मेरे पास है, this is a different level. ये है Luxi-rator, a luxury refrigerator. This is also tech taken to a whole different level. Frankly speaking, मैंने नहीं सोचा था that a refrigerator could have so many innovations all in one place. I never thought a refrigerator could look this stunning also. You see, it fits right in. अगर आपको minimal aesthetics चाहिए, you have a very beautiful kitchen or wherever else you want to put your refrigerator, this steel build will fit right into a very nice, clean, high-end kitchen. और बहुत ही अच्छा sweet high definition screen है on the outside that gives it a very pretty modern aesthetic as well. This is the IF Design Award winner for 2021. इसका जो UI यानी कि यूजर इंटरफेस on the screen है is pretty easy to navigate around as well and offers multiple settings to control the refrigerator. ये है W Series 665L 4-day refrigerator and as the name suggests, काफी बड़ा refrigerator है 665 liters, but it uses that space like a champion. बड़ी serious planning went into the design and form factor inside and out. ये जो इनसाइड जिस तरीके से उन्होंने इसका डिजाइन किया है, it splits everything into three main regions और हर region has its own fan and own cooling mechanism. So you can have three dedicated zones completely. बहुत intuitively intelligent fridge है. It takes the badge of being intuitive really really seriously. इसमें advanced adaptive intelligence है, multiple sensors हैं, microprocessor है. What they do is constantly monitor करते हैं the temperature and humidity inside and then they adapt and they control it to ensure maximum cooling रहे, freshness रहे. Or this is all done through a highly advanced proprietary algorithm, which means that you just need to ensure power supply to the fridge. बाकी ये fridge जो है, it will take care of all things inside on its own. When you swing open the four main doors, you would also see something very interesting. इसकी जो LED lighting inside है ना, starts up very gently. Now this is done to ensure eye care so that nothing jolts you suddenly, especially अगर आप रात को fridge खोलते हैं, suddenly लगती है ना light. This does it very gently. थोड़ा dramatic भी है, looks very good. Yes, one of the doors also has a door in door. यहाँ पे आप अपने drinks and snacks रख सकते हैं. Anything that you want easier access to, water हो जाए or any other frequently used item. So you need not open the main door again and again, thus saving cooling in those parts. अब इसमें एक और चीज़ है that is great, dedicated water and ice dispenser है. So yes, a lot of convenience being thrown in. If I just show you the open fridge, आप देखेंगे, it is full of compartments and shelves that are made of toughened glass and these are all highly customizable. You can almost do it all on your own. You can in fact spend a whole day playing with this fridge जैसे कि jigsaw puzzle होती है ना, you can just put it as you like. अच्छा, एक और बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज, some of the trays are flippable so they can be moved without removing anything at all. और जो bottom shelf है is a pull out that makes putting heavy dishes or anything else inside much easier and taking them out also very very easy. And not just these, ये जो compartments हैं, these are also totally customizable. जो freezer है comes with 6 presets, यानी कि temperature can be set from as high as 10 degrees to as low as minus 22 degrees, which is a real freezer. Like I said, sensors हैं, microprocessor है, complex algorithms है that work very well, almost in an automatic Pro Max like mode. हमने try किया, we tried a lot of things with this. We tried different types of fruits, veggies, dairy products, अलग चीजें in अलग compartments, and yes, they all remained fresh for a very very long time. इसके अंदर एक ionizer भी है that helps fight bacteria and odor. That helps in the freshness, and every time you open the refrigerator, it feels good, it smells good, it looks good. So a well thought out product must also come with specialized care and attention, and you do get it. Fridge जो है comes with a 10-year warranty on Whirlpool's website. This one is priced at 1,93,200 after discount. Like I said, this is a Luxi-rator, a luxury refrigerator. The feel, the fit, the look, the design, adaptive intelligence technology, 3 independent zone of cooling system, ozonizer helps to actually fight bacteria and odor. So that really helps in freshness. Fast freeze technology, it all adds up. And after considering what you get and what it does, this one more than delivers.